Assalamu alaikum. Today, inshallah, we will explain direction of flow of electrons in an electrochemical cell. What is electrochemical cell? Electrochemical cell will be produced when we connect two half cells together. Two half cells. What is a half cell? A half cell is produced when a metal is immersed in solution of its ions. A voltage will be produced in this case that can be measured. If it is standard conditions, this voltage or potential will be measured, and it is given the value of E standard. E standard, it differs from one system to another. E standard in this system as silver, E standard equals plus 0.80 voltage. If we will have another system like zinc metal immersed in solution of its ions, once again, if it is standard conditions, we will find a voltage will be produced that we can call E standard for the zinc system. In this case, the value for E standard equal minus 0.76 volt. When these two systems or two half cells are connected together, we will produce an electrochemical cell which has its own voltage or potential. How can we calculate the potential of the electrochemical cell? Easily, it's the difference between the E standard of both half cells. For this electrochemical cell, we can calculate the net voltage. It will equal the most positive minus the less positive or the negative E standard. So it will be plus 0.8 minus 0.76, so it will equal 1.56 volt. This is the net voltage produced by the electrochemical cell in which we have two half cells of silver system and zinc system. Okay, what is the direction of flow of electrons here? As we said before, the most or the more negative or less positive E standard, it tells us that this system will be the source of electrons. What means that it is the source of electrons? In this system with the more negative value, we will find that the equilibrium of the redox system, it will be shifted towards the left or towards the production of electrons. These electrons produced, it will be gained by the other half cell of silver here, or reduction is predominant in this redox system here. Reduction, it means silver ions will gain the electrons produced by the zinc half cell to form silver as a metal. So the direction of flow of electrons here from the more negative E standard value system to the other less negative or more positive E standard. Okay, let's have another example here. If we have a system of two the same species, which is iron, with different oxidation states, +2 and +3, iron 2 and iron 3. If these two solutions, now we will have a potential 2, which if it is under standard condition, or if the concentration of iron 2 and iron 3 both are 1 mole per decimeter cube, temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, and the pressure 1 atmospheric pressure. So the E standard for this redox system equals 0.77 volt. If we have another redox system like copper metal in solution of its ions, copper ions, we will have a potential 2 produced by this half cell with E standard equals plus 0.34 volt. If we will connect these two half cells together, we will get, yes, electrochemical cell. What is the net voltage of this electrochemical cell produced? Once again, it's the more positive value minus the less positive value. Okay, if you don't know which is more positive or less positive, you can use the number line, it's easy. So here the net voltage for this electrochemical cell, it will be the E standard for the more positive system, 0.77 minus the value of E standard which is less positive, 0.34. So the net voltage produced by this electrochemical cell, it equals, yes, 0.43 volt. Okay, What is the direction of flow of electrons here? Once again, as we said before, which is more positive or which is less positive here? We need the less positive system, or the E node value for the system. It means that this system will act as the source of electrons. So which one is less positive? This one. So this system of copper metal in its ion, it will act as a source of electron. What is the meaning of source of electron? It means that the equilibrium of this system will be shifted towards the left. Production of electrons. These electrons, once again, it will be gained by the other half cell of iron 3. Gaining electrons, it means that the predominant reaction here will be reduction, or the redox equilibrium, it will be shifted towards the right, the production of iron 2 ions. So the flow of electrons in this electrochemical cell, it will be from the copper half cell towards the iron 2 iron 3 half cell. Okay? Thank you.